caught on fire last night. Apparently the fire department was out here.
Not one module caught on fire, two. Now the first one that caught on fire yesterday is on fire again.
Need to bring the front end loader up there. Looks like we want to do some digging.
It's not a great way to start the day. I don't know how much more of 2020 I can take.
Alright, Zach just called me. I got there and looked at the module, said the fire is pretty deep inside the module, so need to bring the front end loader up there. Looks like we want to do some digging.
We're having to dig it out now. See where it's coming from.
You hauling to the rescue. Dun, 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 dun. Gosh, can there be any more crap in this tractor? Good grief, what a mess we got going on here today. It's funny how long these things can take to flare up. Cause we checked it about.
I mean, that's the reason I come in that. I was gonna carry it to the gym.
We checked at 9 o'clock last night and everything was good.
Yeah. When I come in.
And that one was fine over there too.
Yeah.
And here's the other one from this morning. Well, fire is out for the 4th time now. Hopefully the last time. But we're going to get back on this picker and we're going to try it again. Well, when it rains, it pours. Just had 2 lines bust on this module builder. Luckily, it happened right before the parts store closed, so we should be able to get some replacements this afternoon. Gonna be several $100s worth of hydraulic hose, though. Kelly said 2 lines busted. Or is it just one?
One line busted, but another one looks like it's about ready to go.
Where's it at?
She had just dumped it, and I
This line.
lost control in the arm going up and down. Like I can move back and forth, but the tamper up and down will
This
not.
line's busted. And this one's rubbed just as raw, like it could go anytime.
They like cut right in half. There's fluid everywhere.
All right, I'll call Scott, make sure he'll hang around to get it replaced, and just go ahead and get them both changed then.
turn, heifer.
Freaking guards in the way.
Paige, Roy, both of them. Should be in that front toolbox. Front one. Look up top. Need that ratchet wrench and the other one. Yep. Right down there in the hydraulic fluid, Roy.
Yep, we farm in the city. Let me tell you how much fun it is. Wow, will y'all look at that cotton. Man, that's pretty. With a beautiful sunset. Oh, I wish I had my drone up in there. Yeah, I'd say it's good. You know how I mentioned in a previous video how good cotton smelled when it's being picked, you know, the smells of cotton harvest, you know, the way the cotton smells, the cotton picker spindle grease smells, you know, how all that stuff smells good. I'll tell you what doesn't smell good is burnt cotton, especially when you wallowed around in it this afternoon trying to dig a fire out of a module and put it out. It doesn't smell so good. I'm ready to get home and take a shower and get this smell washed off of me. I'm afraid I might be smelling it in my dreams tonight though. Well, it would appear that our bad luck did not stay at the previous farm. Get over here and Roy makes a couple rounds with a bush hog and we have a drive shaft tear up. For whatever reason, we're having a problem with a bolt that holds the drive shaft together. Keeps breaking. I don't know if we got too big of a bolt in there and it's too tight of a fit and putting too much stress on the bolt or what. But anyway, the part of the shaft that the bolt goes through got slung off in the woods somewhere or the field. I don't know. We can't find it. So gotta add that to my list of stuff to do in the morning. Ain't farming fun? It's days like yesterday and today that really make me seriously think about why I became a farmer. Because days like today and yesterday, it's really hard to find the joy in farming when you're just overcome with frustrations from every single angle. But I do it because it's what God made me to do. He gave me the talent to do it, He gave me the ability to do it, and He's provided the means for me to do it. So that's why I do it. It's just days like today, it's really hard to remember that. But the sun will rise again tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a new day, and you never know what tomorrow brings. It could be great joy tomorrow. But I will say that 2020, it's the year that keeps on giving. But I don't think there's too many people that's enjoying the gifts that it's given this year. Oh well, that's enough of being a crybaby for today. We still got an hour or two left in this day, and we're going to try and finish it out strong.
the radio yesterday. Had no idea where he put it, where it went, right? Guess what? I found it in the field today. That's right, just sitting there. I found it.
Now be sure to give yourself a big old pat on the back. Anyway, it's about 8:45 at night. We just ran out of water. We got like 2 more passes on this field before we move on to the back. We got 13.5 acres done over here on this farm. Total for the day is like, I think we got around 35 acres done. Hadn't been a great day.
So I can dump this basket tomorrow or tonight.
I don't care. I just want to get the heads cleaned out and go home.
That's what she said.
Anyway, where was I? Yeah. In total, we got like 35 acres done today. Been a pretty rough day. Hopefully our fortunes will improve tomorrow. If y'all made it this far, I appreciate you watching. We value each and every subscriber and viewer that we get. And stay tuned. We'll be back again soon. We'll see you in the next video.